Be More by Stephen Sanchez. I'm gonna show you all the chords for this song, the strumming pattern, and then also at the end of this video, because this is a pretty simple song, I'll go ahead and show you some finger picking that you can do with it as well. So for the chord progression, we've got a C, then an A minor, then an E minor, and then a G. The nice thing about this chord progression is it's the same throughout the entire song. So we just play that C, A minor, E minor to G throughout the entire song. A couple different strumming patterns that you can do here is you can just do all down strums and kind of accent the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want something a little bit more rhythmic, you can just do like a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. But if you clicked on this video because you want to do the finger picking, that's what I'll show you right now. So it's all the same chords, so I'm going to kind of ignore my left hand here for a second. And with our finger picking hand, our thumb is going to go on an A string, our index finger is going to go on the D string, middle finger on the G, and our ring finger on the B string. And what we'll do is we'll arpeggiate each chord by plucking down the strings and then back up. So we're going to go A, D, G, B, G, D. All right, and we're gonna do that 2 times for each chord. When we get to the E minor, our index finger, middle finger, and ring finger can stay exactly where they're at, but our thumb is going to strike that top E string. Then it's up to you. When you play that G, all of these 3 fingers can stay where they're at. But what I like to do is I like to move each of these fingers down 1 string. So my index finger will go on the G, my middle finger will be on the B, and my ring finger will be on that bottom E string. So I like to play it like this. And then I play it one more time, putting my fingers back to where they originally were, starting from that A. So it's like this. So if we put all of that together, and there you go, that's how you finger pick Be More by Stephen Sanchez.